How is complement activation involved in host defense? If you have watched our previous videos, you must know that we talked about three main ways antibodies deal with various pathogens and their toxic products. These include neutralization, opsonization, and complement activation. Now, we've already talked about neutralization and opsonization, but in today's video, our sole focus will be on the third one, which is complement activation. The third function of the antibodies is to activate a system of plasma proteins known as complement. We know that if a foreign organism like bacteria invades our body, antibodies start binding to these organisms. These bound antibodies form a receptor from the first protein of the complement system, which eventually forms a protein complex on the surface of bacterium, gets activated, and kill bacterium directly. Now let me clarify here that complement system can also be activated without the help of antibodies on many microbial surfaces, and therefore contribute to the innate as well as adaptive immunity. The activated complement bound with the antibodies forms a membrane attack complex and create pores in the cell wall of bacteria. These pores can directly destroy bacteria, and this is important in a few bacterial infections. However, the main function of complement, like that of antibodies themselves, is to coat the surface of pathogens and enable phagocytes to engulf and destroy bacteria that they would otherwise not recognize. Complement also enhances the bactericidal actions of phagocytes. Indeed, it is so called because it complements the activities of antibodies. Antibodies of different isotopes are found in different compartments of the body and differ in the effector mechanisms that they recruit. But all pathogens and particles bound by an antibody are eventually delivered to phagocytes for ingestion, degradation, and removal from the body. The complement system and the phagocytes that antibodies recruit are not antigen-specific themselves, but they depend upon antibody molecules that mark the particles as foreign so that they are easily recognized by complement and phagocytes. So that was a quick review on how complement activation is involved in the host defense. For more videos like these, keep watching sqadia.com.